Hi friends, this is Srilata, and previous classes we are discussing about the articles and in detail how where it has mentioned in the constitution and all. Today we will discuss about the articles in detail. Okay. What are the articles? As I told you in the earlier classes that articles are related to fundamental rights are 12 to 35. Actually, I like to tell you only the important articles to you, so that it is easy for you to write in a competitive exams or in any other exams also. So, these are the important articles. 14 to 18, equality, freedom, exploitation, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedy, so these are the important areas in the fundamental rights. We do have 12 article, 13th article, but even though after 32, 33, 34, 35 articles are also there, but I am discussing only the important articles to you, so that it is useful for you to write in the competitive exams and in your exams also, in the degree level or in the PG level, whatever it may be. So, article 14 to 18. Today in detail I would like to explain you about article 14 to 18, equality. What is equality? So, in detail 14, what is the article 15 says, what is article 16, 17, 18. Till 18 we will discuss today in detail. So, along with this keyword, so that you can understand this article very easily, right. So, we are discussing about 14 to 18 articles, right. EPOUT, this EPOUT you should not forget, right. EPOUT means 14, what 14 says? Right to equality, equality before law, equal protection of law. There is no discrimination in the society between person to person, right. Everyone is equal in front of law. By seeing the word of equality, I know you can understand very well about the equality. Rich and poor, no variation, no discrimination should be there between person to person in a society, right. This is says the article 14, right to equality. This is the most important right, right. Next, article 15, prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, sex, gender, caste, place of birth. So, they should be equal rights as well as prohibition of discrimination. There should not any discrimination between a person to person, even it is in the gender or it is in the caste, religion, it should not be in the society, right. This is also most important article 15. Next, 16, equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. In public employment, that means government jobs, everyone has the right, everyone has to gain the duty, right. There is no discrimination, everyone should be equal in front of the government. and everyone should be utilized that fruitful of the government whatever the provided to the citizens has to utilize that opportunity. There is no discrimination in the opportunity in public employment, right. And 17 is the abolition of untouchability. Abolition of untouchability and prohibition of this untouchability practice should be prohibited, right. Untouchability, when we see the person is very well and he is very authorized person, when we see the servant, we find some variation between both of them. That kind of variation should not be there by taking a religion, by taking the caste, by taking the place where he came from. That kind of discrimination and untouchability. Untouchability, when we listen the word of untouchability, we will get to know about the Ambedkar. Ambedkar has fought for this untouchability. Jyotirao Phule has fought for this untouchability. So, he has faced the problem of untouchability. So, this is the most important article 17, right. Next is article 18, the titles, suffix and prefix and suffix will not be entertained in front of the constitution, right. The titles are not allowed except military and academic, right. These are the articles. So, how we have to recollect this? Article 14 says equality, E. 15, prohibition of discrimination under the ground of religion, caste, sex, place, P. Prohibition, right. 16 says opportunity in public employment, O. 16, article 16 says O, opportunity, and 17, U, untouchability. Here it is, abolition of untouchability. 17 says U and 18 says T. T means nothing but title. So, equality, this is prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, sex and gender, and O is opportunity. 16 O, 17 U. U means untouchability, abolition of untouchability. 18 means T, titles. So, when you recollect this about, you can able to get this all articles at a time from 14 to 18 articles. I hope you understand well. We will meet you in the next class. The rest of the articles we will discuss there. Thank you.